Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, Ish, and you are now watching Just Money, where we talk about financial related topics such as credit, real estate, loans, etc. And I also talk about on how to get high limits on credit cards. So if that's something you're into, then you're probably going to want to consider subscribing. But without further ado, let's get into today's video. So in today's review, I will be talking about the secured Merrick Bank double your line card, and I'll also mention on how you can get the Merrick Bank Platinum Visa unsecured credit card later in this video, so stay tuned. Okay, now real quick, let me explain what a secured credit card is. A secured credit card looks and acts just like any other credit card, but the difference is here is you have to make a deposit in order to get that card. And that right there secures your credit line. Now, the deposit is FDIC insured, and the amount of your security deposit will be equal to your initial credit line. Okay, now what is a security deposit? A security deposit acts as collateral on your secured credit card. You make the security deposit and then your credit line equals to the amount of your initial security deposit. All secured credit cards require the security deposit, and you won't qualify for the card if you can't make the full deposit within 20 days of applying. Okay, now how do you pay your security deposit? Once you apply, you will need to make your security deposit within 20 days. You can make your security deposit using your bank's online payment service, or you can use an ACH, MoneyGram, Western Union, money order, or check. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, let's talk about this card. The name is Double Your Line by Merrick Bank. So for this card, you must deposit $200 as your security deposit. Then that same $200 you deposited then becomes your initial credit limit amount. Then they will double your credit limit to $400 by simply just making your payments on time every month for the first 7 months. They also offer another secured credit card on their website, and I've already made a video to that, so I'll tag it in the description below for you guys to watch if you're interested. And please note that you can only choose one out of the 2 secured credit cards, so just watch this video to the end so that way you can make an informed decision before applying. But anyways, back to this card. The good thing about these 2 credit cards is that you do not need an invitation in order to apply. You can just simply apply online at any time. Okay, so here are some benefits about this card. This card reports your utilization and your payment history, which makes up about 65% of your credit, to the 3 major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. And all of that reporting helps you build your credit. And how does that help you? Well, this reporting will help you build a credit history or rebuild your credit with a positive history if at least you're making your minimum payments on time every month. By making your payments on time, you show other lenders that you're responsible with your finances and are worthy of obtaining new credit cards because you pay your bills on time. Okay, now on to the good. Initial credit starts at $200 and then doubles to $400 in just 7 months. And the actual card does not have the word secured on it, so no one's gonna know if it's a secured credit card. No one's gonna know. And they offer a fast and easy online application process. Once you apply, you will need to make that security deposit within 20 days. And you can make that security deposit using your bank's online payment service, ACH, MoneyGram, Western Union, money order, or check. And once your application is approved, you will receive your card in the mail within 2 weeks. Now, if you don't get approved, then they would just give you your deposit back within 20 days. Now, let's go over the requirements to be eligible to apply. Okay, so secured credit cards are good for people that are trying to build or rebuild their credit, and they're also available to people with all kinds of credit backgrounds. Now, you may be eligible if you're at least 18 years old, you successfully made your security deposit, you have a physical verifiable home address here in the US, you don't have any pending bankruptcy, you don't already have a Merrick Bank security card, you meet income, debt affordability, and identity verification requirements for all credit card applications, or you also don't have outstanding tax obligations. I'll leave a link to the website in the description below, and no, it's not an affiliate link, so I don't get paid if you guys click the link. Okay, now let's go over some perks of this card. Okay, so where can you use this card? Well, you can pretty much use this card anywhere a MasterCard is accepted, such as stores, online shopping, retailers worldwide, just pretty much anywhere they take a MasterCard. It has all the advantages, benefits, and privileges of having a MasterCard. It includes 0 fraud liability for unauthorized transactions, and also worldwide ATM access and identity theft monitoring. They also offer free online access to your account 24/7 and free access to your FICO score once you set up your online account page. All Merrick cards come with fraud protection and account alerts. And you can also withdraw cash from any ATM using your designated PIN. They have a 24/7 customer service access via phone or online. And you can also choose the color of the card you like, choosing from 1 out of the 5 different choices. And of course, I would recommend this card for those that are trying to build or rebuild their credit. If you guys are finding this information helpful, then do me a favor by hitting the like button. I truly appreciate it because it truly helps me out a lot. But moving along, let's talk about the fees on this card. Annual fees are $36 up front for the first year, and then they charge you $3 a month every year after that. Now APR is currently 20.45%, but depending on the time you're watching this video, that may differ. And there is a 4% fee for cash advances at ATM, similar to most credit cards though. And APR cash advances are 25.45%. And there is a $40 fee if you have a late payment. And this credit card does not graduate to an unsecured credit card, just in case you're wondering. And the only way to get your security deposit back is to just close your account, and then you will receive your deposit within those 20 days. So overall, this is a great credit card if you're trying to build or rebuild your credit. Once your credit is built, then you can apply for a better credit card with a lower APR, and then try to keep your limit low on that card so that way your credit could stay going up. And that also helps you build your credit a little faster. Okay, now let me tell you about a hacker tip if you want to get an invitation in the mail for the Merrick Bank Platinum Visa unsecured credit card. What you do is apply for the Merrick Bank Secured MasterCard. If you get approved for the secured card, then about 3 to 7 days you'll receive an invitation in the mail for the Merrick Bank Platinum unsecured credit card. Your initial credit will be similar to the amount you use as a deposit on your secured credit card. So for example, if you deposited $200 to get the secured card, the mail offer for your unsecured Platinum Visa card will be around the same amount of $200. As your first credit limit, then that would double in 7 months, but it will also keep increasing over time, all the way up to $2,700. Now this hack isn't guaranteed for everyone because it is based on your credit worthiness, but it does work. And I hope this helps. If you guys are finding this information helpful, hit the like button. So overall, this is a pretty good credit card for those trying to build credit. And yes, you do start with a low number of 400, but you gotta start somewhere. For some people, putting down a deposit of 200, it's a good start. If not, then just hold on and save your money and skip this credit card and just get the classic Visa secured credit card. I'll leave a link to that video in the description below. And that card limit goes all the way up to $3,000, so choose wisely. Anyways, I hope you guys found this information helpful. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, then leave a comment down below. I do read all comments. But if you guys made it to the end of the video, then I truly do appreciate you guys. We're almost at 3,000 subscribers at the time of this recording, so appreciate all who watch. I do post every Sunday and Wednesday, 7 a.m. Pacific Coast time, so be there. I have other videos on my channel. If you're trying to build high credit limits, I have other videos on my channel pertaining to that, and even business credit. If you guys want to know more about business credit, I have other videos on my channel discussing that. And for those that don't know, I am also a real estate agent here in Southern California. So if you're looking to buy or sell or have any questions in regards to real estate, then I'd be more than happy to help you out. All my information will be in the description below. Depending on the time you're watching this video, I will be also a licensed mortgage loan originator, so we'll be funding loans as well. I'll see you guys next video. Thanks for watching.